Dear student of grade 10, we'll do exercise 1.4, question number 1. I have combined question number 1 and 2. It's similar only. Question number 2 is connected to 1, so I have combined the question. Without actual performing long division, state whether the following rational number will have a terminating decimal expansion or non-terminating decimal. Terminating means if it's completely divisible and decimal doesn't, after decimal the number ends. And non-terminating means after decimal some are repeating. For example, when you divide 1 by 3, you will get 0.333. These are non-terminating decimal. Clear? It goes on like that, repeating decimals. So we'll find out whether it is terminating or non-terminating. And the second question of this exercise is write down the decimal expression if it is terminating decimal. If it is terminating decimal, you have to write down the decimal expansion. So we are going to solve this without dividing. So for doing this, you have to know that we always factorize the denominator. 3125 will go by 5625. 125, 5, 25, 5, 5. So we are getting 13 by 5 to the power 5. Now remember, if you get a factor of, just writing here, if you get a factor of 2 power m or 2 power n, 5 power m, if you get a factor of 2 or 5, that means it's a terminating decimal. So we can say, since we get a factor of 5 to the power something, it is terminating. If it is terminating, you are going to convert into decimal. The second question is like that, convert into decimal expansion. Now how to do convert into decimal expansion? 13 by 5 to the power 5. See the relation, these two must be there. What is missing here is 2 power. If it is 5 power 5, we'll multiply by 2 power 5 to convert it into decimal expansion. So if you are multiplying by 2 power 5 here, 2 power 5 upside also, so that it become 10 power 5 downside, and it will be 13 into 2 to the power 5 is 32. Multiply 13 2 is 26, 13 3 is 39, 40 41, 416 by 10 to the power 5. So 10 to the power 5 means there must be a 5 decimal place. So 41600 point, so 5 decimal place. Similarly, we'll do this 17 by 8. 8 means 2422. So we're getting 2 cube. So it's a factor of 2. That means it is terminating this. It is terminating. Terminating decimal, you can write. Now we have to convert into the second part is we have to convert into decimal. So 17 power 2 by 3 is there. You multiply by which number? So if 2 cube is there, that means I have to multiply by same 5 cube, because in the denominator 2 and 5 must be there. So if you're multiplying in the denominator, upside also you will multiply. You're getting 17 into 5 cube is how much? 125. And what is it? 2 into 5 is 10 cube. Now multiply this. 17 into 5 is 85. 17 2 is 34. 34 plus 8 is 42. 17 1 is 17. You'll get 18, 19, 20, 21. 2125 by 10 cube. Okay. Now you have to convert into decimal. So 10 cube means 2.125, 3 decimal place. 2.125. Next question is number 3 is, let me see the question, 64 by 455. Let's find the factor of 455. This you have to do in the rough work. Factor of 455 is 5 7 sorry, 591, 713. So you are getting 64 by 5 into 7 into 13. That means non-terminating. And we don't have to find the decimal expansion like this. So non-terminating. Non-terminating decimal. Let's go to fourth question. I'm doing here, no space. Fourth question is 15 by 1600. So if you break 1600 to how many times? 8 times, to 4 times, to 2 times, 200 times, 250 times, 225, 5. You are getting how many 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 power 6 into 5 square. So you are getting a fact. Sorry, I can't see. You are getting a factor of 2 and 5. That means terminating decimal. Decimal. No space. Terminating decimal. Okay, you can write it down. Now we're going to convert into decimal. So by what number you will multiply? This is 2 power 6 into 5 square. See, 2 is already power 6, 5 is square. That means how many 5 is needed to make power 6? Yes, 5 power 4. Then it will become 5 power 6. So downside will be 10 power 6. This 2 is 5 power 6. And 2 power 6 is 10 power 6. And 15 into 5 to the power 4 is 625. If you multiply 15 into this, you'll get 9375 by 10 power 6. So your final answer will be 6 decimal place. Since this is 10 power 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Clear? Question number 4 is clear? Okay, you can pause the video to write the solution. Let's go to question number 5. Question number 5 is 29 by 343. We'll get 29 by 343 is 7 cube. 7 into 7 into 7. So, non-terminating. Non-terminating decimal. Question number 6 is, question number 5 is done. 6 is 23 by 2 cube and 5 square. So it's already terminating. They have already factorized and given, so it's terminating decimal. So you have to multiply by 23 by 2 power 3 and 5 is there. 5 power square is there. So to make 5 cube, you have to multiply by 5 only. So it will become 2 power 3 and into 5 power 3. So multiply this, 23 into 5 is 115. Now you'll get 115 by, this is 10 cube. 10 cube means 3 decimal place, 115. So 0.115. Let's go to question number 6 is done. 7. Direct question I'm doing here. 129 by 2 power 5, 5 power 7 and 7 power 5. You have 2 power 5, 5 power something, but 7 is there. That's why it's non-terminating. Non-terminating decimal. Please write it down. Question number 7 is done. Question number 8 is 6 by 15. We can cut by 3. 3 2 times, 3 5 times. So we are getting 2 by 5. 5 downside. That means terminating decimal. So you write the full spelling. 2 by 5, you have to multiply by which number to make it 10? 2. So you'll get 4 by 10, that means 0.4. Number 9 is 35 by 50. If we can cut it, 5, 7, 5, 10. So we're getting 7 by 10 is 2 into 5. It's terminating decimal. So we're getting 7 by 10. We can do directly also, one decimal place. We don't have to multiply by anything. 2 and 5 have the same power, 0.7. Question number something, 77 by 210. We can cut by 7, 7, 30. We're getting 11 by 30. If you break it, 3, 10, 2, 5. We're getting 3 into 2 into 5. You are getting other than the factor of 2 and 5, that means non-terminating decimal. Clear? So this is a combination of question number 1 and 2. You can pause the video and write the solution. Let's go to question number 3. Question number 3 is we are going to find that whether this given value are a rational number or not. See, rational number means when you convert into decimal expansion, it is either terminating on or non-terminating, but it is repeating. Okay, non-terminating means repeating. But irrational number are those number, this is non-terminating but never repeats. Never repeats. So for this question, it's a rational number because it ends here. After 9, it's not going anymore, so it ends. So it's a rational number because it's a terminating decimal, and it can be expressed as P by Q. And the factor of Q must be 2 power m or 5 power n. Alright, or it have to be these two, like we have done in question number 1 and 2. This is C, 1 0 2 or 1 2 0 1 2 0 0 1 2 0 0 0 1 2 4 0, and goes on like that. It is non-terminating, never ending, and it is not repeating also. It's not 120 120 120 like that. It's not repeating. That's why it is not a rational number. This type of number are called irrational number, and we cannot express in P by Q. So we cannot find the value of Q. This is bar means repeating. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Again it will come 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Again it will come 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So it is repeating decimal. When it is repeating decimal, it's a rational number. Clear? And we can write in the form of P by Q. But the factor of Q will be other than 2 or 5. If it is terminating, the factor of Q must be 2 power m or 5 power n. But if it is non-terminating and repeating decimal, that means Q must have a factor other than 2 and 5. You can pause the video to write the solution. Thank you.